That's this pitched up for tonight. We're doing in Broughty Ferry. Wee lay-by. We've camped here once before. Again, I'll leave the what 3 words link. It's fine and quiet. There's a few boy racers and maybe the odd deal gets done about here down here at midnight, but it's not too bad. This is on the cycle path, number 1 cycle path I think, and there's a wee track here that takes you straight into Broughty Ferry. And as you can see, we're not the only camper van here for the night.
Now that van is considerably cleaner than ours.
So the van is cleaner than ours.
That one.
Right, hold on. Carol's now moaning about the state of our van.
I don't know.
So Carol is now moaning about the state of our van. She reckons it needs cleaning. I've been flat out trying to get our bloody house set for the last 13 months. But here's a question that I'd like to ask the viewer. Are women able to clean cars and vans, or is it physically impossible for a woman to do it?
We missed that gene. It's a genetic thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
But yet, you've got the gene to pick up every fault.
It was a swap.
When I didn't clean it.
It was a swap.
Ah, okay. Boom. Lucky you, eh?
Yeah.
So here's Broughty Ferry away in the distance there, Broughty Castle.
Tayport on the other side.
Tayport on the other side apparently.
And Wormit.
No, fuck, Wormit's under a bridge.
Yeah, up there.
Here's Dundee Sailing Club, all the wee boats, and a wee bit further up here there's a River Tay Yacht Club, just other side of the railway tracks. Cracking clubhouse they've got. The Broughty Boathouse. Broughty Ferry boating. Tay sail training. Oh!
Stay in there, Dafty.
So here's us just back at the van. We've been for a wee walk down to the River Tay Yacht Club and back again, just half an hour or so. And this will be our bed for the night. We're just beside, is that the Port Authorities? Is it Port Authorities or something up there where that oil rig thing is? And that'll be our morning view.